Hey guys, just wanted to give a little update, little kind of reminder thing about the AAW Symposium that's coming up June 14th through 17th in Portland, Oregon. So a little announcement. So I was planning to go to it, but I'm actually going to be doing some demo work in the Easy Wood Tools booth now. So Carl Jacobson's going to be there. He's going to be doing some turning. I'm probably going to turn some pens. Scott Grove is going to be there doing some inlay technique demoing, and Heath Knuckles is coming out as well. All four of us are going to be hanging out at the Easy Wood Tools booth. I guarantee we're going to get into trouble in some fashion, so it should be pretty fun. It's pretty cool though. The vendor area, as well as the exhibits and all that stuff, like the instant gallery, all that stuff's actually open to the public. It's free. So if you're in the area, definitely come by. You can say hi to the four of us at the Easy Wood Tools booth. I know that there's going to be some really big names demoing in the vendor area for different companies. So lots of people are going to be there. And like I said, that part's free. If you want to take the classes, which I highly recommend doing that too. That's what's, that costs the money, but awesome demonstrations going on for the classroom stuff. So like I said, if you guys are in the area, want to stop by and say hi, definitely do so. Again, it's June 14 through 17, Portland, Oregon at the Convention Center. And yeah, so I hope to see you guys all there.